Boom! The alarm clock rings and it is time for work. Quickly, we do our morning routine and head rush out the doors. We are stuck in traffic and stressed we might be late. We get to work and are bombarded with all the work, calls, deadlines, and expectations. Nothing but worry and pressure. Time's up, we head rushing home. Again, we are stuck in traffic. Finally, we get home with no motivation to do any work. We grab our phones, pick up junk food, and head straight to the TV where we spend the remainder of our day killing our time. It goes like this day after day, week after week, month after. You get the point. Hold up, let's take it back. Work is something that we cannot escape. It is vital in human life. The problem is how we act when we get back from work. Usually, these are bad habits that numb our minds from stress. However, it does not have to be that way. What if you could come home and enjoy the remainder of the day? If that's you, you clicked on the right video. First, let me share the benefits of establishing a relaxing routine after work. Also, if you make it to the end of the video, I will demonstrate how you can build your own. So, let's start. What are the benefits of establishing a relaxing routine after work? First, you will see an improvement in your mood. The secret is in the word itself. When you relax properly, it is a process that decreases the effects of your stress on your mind and body. Once your stress level is lower, it naturally leads to a well-rounded state of mind. In other words, a good mood. Second, you will see an increase in your energy for the remainder part of the day. When we work, we focus on things we are not interested in, or the tasks at work are stressful. This leads to consuming a chunk of our energy. Eventually, this leads us to fatigue. That is why we experience low energy after work and feel like doing nothing. However, the great thing is that you can have it back if you take conscious steps such as rest. One good way to think about it is like a battery. At work, you consume the power, but when you rest, you replenish. Third, you will see an increase in your productivity. In the modern world, all of us strive to be productive. Productivity helps us get things done, increase efficiency, and feel like we are accomplishing something in life. It's what gets our life moving. Now imagine with your mood and energy up from the relaxing routine. It will only cause you to be productive for the remainder of the day. You will finally be able to finish those tasks you have been putting aside for a while, or grow the hobbies that you've always loved, or help out in the community and make the world a better place. You might be thinking to yourself, whoa, those benefits are great, and yes, you're right, I do need to establish a relaxing routine in my life after work. I want to have an increased mood, energy, and productivity when I get back home from work. Because you made it to the end of this video, I will let you know how to get started. As I love journaling, I recommend you to grab a journal or your phone. Now, as you have it out, I hope, ask yourself this question. What are the things that give me a sense of relaxation? For example, a warm shower, journaling, taking a walk outside, playing an instrument, listening to music, or reading a book. After you have made a list, choose 3. A relaxing routine should not take up your whole day, and it is better to start off simple and work your way up. Then create an order that seems best to fit you. Once you have done that, place the paper or file somewhere that you will remember, like the door of your room, so that you will not forget. Also, have your phone on airplane mode or turn off the internet during the routine. As a reward, you can turn off the airplane mode once you have accomplished the task. Trust me, you won't regret establishing a relaxing routine after work. See you next video.